umva ba Yesu ni benshi ariko ndavuga Kristo w'i Nazareti.
I'm talking about Christ of Nazareth.
Abahuye nabo.
Those who met him.
Ndabizi no ubwo buri muto ariko warahuye nawe.
Even if you are young, but if you met him,
ntabwo wamushidikanya.
You cannot doubt him.
Sinzi ko abantu baba barahuye nawe.
I don't know if you've met him.
Hari ibintu niboneye niyo wanjyana ukamanika ahantu sinabihakana kuko hari ibintu niboneye.
Because of the things I've seen myself, even if you hang me somewhere,
Kristo naramwiboneye.
I've seen Christ myself.
Uyu we tugendana,
the one we walk with, I have seen him.
Niyo mpamvu Bibiliya ivuga,
that's why the Bible,
abazi Imana yabo,
those who know their God,
abahuye na Yesu nta muntu bagiye hagati,
the ones who met him,
bazakomera,
they will be strong. After being strong, they will do great things.
Ibi bintu 2026 ndakurahiye, ibintu byo kwibaza abaguca intege, ejo wabigarutsemo, ejo wagiye, iyizire nushaka ubikamba kambemo ariko uzaza.
Come in this year, you're not going to be doubting. Those who are discouraging you, you're not going to be discouraged. You can even crawl coming. There are times you will even crawl. But because we have seen him and met him, we worship